Hey everyone, I'm Louis, one of the creators of HyprMCP. HyprMCP is a proxy that sits in front of your MCP server and adds authentication analytics in under 2 minutes with zero code changes. Let me show you how it works and how to get started. For this demo, we're going to use the MCP server from our friends from StackOff. After logging in, your first step is to create a new organization. Let's add a project name. And let's add the URL of the current MCP server. Yeah, and that's it. The proxy was configured, so let's click on the URL to get our connection instructions. I personally use Cursor, but we also have connection instructions for VS Code, Claude Code, etc. But to add the proxy, just click the Add to Cursor button, open it in Cursor, and install the MCP server. And now we're being prompted to actually authenticate with the MCP server. So let's do that. Let's sign in with GitHub. And let's go back to Cursor. And that was it. The MCP server is configured. And now we can chat with the MCP server. For example, ask him some questions about StackOff. The MCP server is properly configured and working in Cursor. And going back to the HyprMCP platform, in the overview section, we can now see that one user has used our MCP server. We can see all the tool calls that have been made. We can see the prompts that triggered certain tool calls. And we can also see which tools were called, with what success rates, which clients have been used. We can also dive into detailed logs on the specific requests and get more insights for debugging and optimization. And that's pretty much it. It takes you under 2 minutes to get started, to add authentication and insights to your MCP server and give your users a smooth customer journey.